Resident without group health insurance, there are 3 things you need to know right now. 1. You don't need to belong to a group to get solid coverage that's affordable. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas has plans for you that are loaded with benefits and low cost. Call now for free information about Healthy Blue, because 2. You never know when an accident or illness will strike. Healthy Blue has unlimited benefits for when you're sick or hurt to help you get healthy, and it helps keep you healthy too. With preventive care that's covered 100%. That's right, you pay nothing. 3. It's contemporary coverage that's extensive, not expensive, with a 25% savings over one of our more popular plans. 99% of area doctors and hospitals accept Healthy Blue as payment in full. That's important because Healthy Blue pays 100% for doctor visits, immunizations, routine screenings, lab services, radiology, and much more. So you won't have to. You'll also enjoy extra savings with Resource Blue, our value-added health and wellness program. With Resource Blue, you'll get great discounts on eyewear, hearing aids, vitamins, alternative medicine, and more, all at no extra cost. With Healthy Blue, you can even add optional dental and life coverage. Look to the local company Kansas has trusted for over 65 years. Call or visit our website now. It's that easy.
Call toll-free 1-800-568-0122. That's 1-800-568-0122. There's no cost or obligation. 1-800-568-0122. Call now.
The last time gas prices were this high.
KOAN's long tradition of gas giveaways gets more exciting with Zip Into Gas Double Draw. 2 zip codes at 5, 2 zip codes at 6. Zip Into Gas from KOAN. Mothers-to-be, feeding and addiction, damaging unborn children. KOAM's Angela Greenwood talks to addicts.
And if I could change things, I should.
And shows you a drug's lasting effects. Meth Babies, Thursday on KOAN.
Joe Brown. Just making sense. He's the his hair.
Yes.
He needs to pay for lost income and future treatment.
Till about 6. It's on 1 to 3 inches an hour. It's down to Oklahoma City, just on the other side of Oklahoma City. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Well, they told Dad. Well, Dad called a little while ago, and he said they've already shut down one line, and there's talk of not running C shift. I know. Yeah, oh, I know. Max went out down the steps less than an hour ago, and they're already completely filled. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, Dad said they've shut down once in 35 years, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this be the second, because the crawl on TV. We could get another at least 6 to 8 if this continues like this. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Cowboy? I don't know, but his brother might. Okay, bye. Who else would I know that would have a plow?
Say about this. All right, Shauna. Steve came to me. First of all, I'm a second-generation hairstylist. I've been doing hair over 35 years. Steve came to me July the 1st, walked in the hair shop. His hair was like, blew out like a natural or something. Didn't look like no perm, didn't look like no curl. He came in and he said, I wanted a curl touch-up.
That's not true.
He said, I know the difference between a curl and a perm.
My hair wasn't all like that.
I've been doing curls
we've
and
got a
perms.
cool hand Luke situation.
Okay, let me
Failure to communicate.
He said he wanted a curl touch-up. I'm going to tell you exactly just how it went. So I showed him two products. I showed him a Carefree curl, and I showed him a Wave Nouveau. I said, which one you want? He chose the Wave Nouveau. I said, that'd be $75 for the Wave Nouveau. Anybody that comes to a hair salon know the difference between a Wave Nouveau and a Carefree curl.
Well, let me ask you a question. How long have you been getting this done?
10 years.
10 years.
And Your Honor, he knows that.
So, I would assume that if you had this process done to your hair for 10 years, you kind of had an idea about it.
Of course.
I'll let you reply to that, but keep going.
Okay, so he chose this process. Now, as I'm going, first of all, in going to school, learning how to do hair, they tell you to do a strand test. But when your hair has been previously relaxed, whether it's a perm or a curl, it's going to go straight whichever one you use. So I have to rely on the consultation of the client. Have you had your hair dyed? When the last time you had your hair done? The things of that nature. So if a person has had a perm in their hair, they know a perm from a curl before you get started. The only thing I can rely on is the consultation of the client. But anyway, I go through the process. I give him the curl. When I take the rollers out of his hair, at the end of the process, his ends were kind of stringy. I said, well, we're going to need to cut some of it. He said, no, I can't cut none of my hair. I can't cut none. I said, well, we need to cut some of it because the ends are straight, and in order for it to curl up, we got to cut it. And then you put the bag on it and do your thing. We cut a little bit off. He called me 2 weeks later talking about, man, my hair is falling out. 2 weeks later, I said, well, what happened? He said, well, man, I don't know. It's just coming out by the end. I said, well, look, what you do is you go to the nearest beauty supply store. He tell me he's in Vegas now. I say, okay, well, I can't have him come to the shop to where I can give him consultation and treat the hair. So I referred him to the beauty supply stores to get hair restoration treatments, and I tried to counsel him over the phone about what to get, you know what I'm saying, in order to stop the brittleness, stop his hair from breaking. Okay, then he calls me again.